Solana in a real sense is a highest-level digital money at present evaluated at $100.79 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $43,559,126,987 in an unobtrusive manner. Over the kind of past sort of couple of years, digital forms of money, including Solana, laid out a genuinely impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and by and large are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, as opposed to prevalent thinking. A few institutional financial backers even really consider crypto as a proficient supporting instrument against the taking-off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Retail financial backers and merchants truly are keen on digital currencies, for example, Sol, since this in a real sense is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources especially have the potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately sort of brief timeframe, which by and large is very huge. These profits certainly are somewhat out of reach in sort of different business sectors, which in a real sense is the motivation behind why most kind of moderate financial backers for the most part are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Solana. While the groundbreaking ones fundamentally commit a critical piece of their exceptionally cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an extremely significant manner. At this specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Solana to the level at $100.79, where it as of now sits, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, Sol explicitly is a highest-level cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 5th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the by and large metric that's sort not set in stone, by duplicating the very current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource in an essentially enormous manner. On account of Solana, the market capitalization basically remains at $43,559,126,987. The significance of this boundary will fundamentally be in every way that really matters, made sense of later, versus the for the most part thought. Our cost expectation calculation truly is planned in extremely such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to furnish our endorsers with the most reliable data on the truly present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily generally survey the condition of their portfolio and essentially conclude whether its sort of requirements to generally be reconfigured. Certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Our calculation likewise gives kind of extraordinary consideration to verifiable information, which certainly is somewhat crucial for the especially right assessment of both really current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its genuinely present and future course. Underneath you will generally find genuinely key passages of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the Solana market is going in a kind of huge manner. Yesterday, on January 10, Sol was esteemed at $99.40 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Fundamentally recall that digital currencies by and large are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period especially added up to 3.91%, showing how underneath you will by and large find in every practical sense key passages of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could for the most part have a comprehension of where the Solana market truly is going in a huge manner. 7 days prior, on January 4, Solana truly was exchanged at $98.62 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that near its essentially present position. On December 11, which generally was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Sol at $70.35, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 43.26% from where it at present stands in an essentially huge manner. The cost of Sol and the readings of CVIX basically are not by any means the only measurements that we use while attracting the cost forecasts in an unobtrusive way. Market capitalization in a real sense is one more significant pretty metric that generally assists traders with truly deciding the prevalence of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. It's likewise used to for the most part evaluate the offer that Solana explicitly holds inside the truly whole digital money market, exhibiting that a few institutional financial backers even truly consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in an unobtrusive way. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization fundamentally is fairly basic. The coursing supply of the money being referred to in a real sense is duplicated by its truly current cost, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Sol sort of stands at $43,559,126,987, enough to name it the fifth most, certainly the biggest coin on the digital money market in an extremely enormous manner. Yesterday, on January 10, the market capitalization of Solana sort of remained at $42,930,840,870, or so the thought. 7 days prior, on January 4, the capitalization of Sol was $42,407,282,919. Most certainly further appearance. A few institutional financial backers even by and large consider crypto as a productive supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, which certainly is very critical. A month prior, on December 11, how much exceptionally capital streaming around this in every way that really matters, specific market especially added up to $29,986,668,669, versus the explicitly thought. Most cryptographic money financial backers for the most part stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with an especially certain digital currency and its capacity to for the most part endure disturbances which generally are the normal event on this exceptionally unstable market, which basically is genuinely critical. The extremely all-out supply of Sol at present in a real sense remains at 566,892,620 coins in a very large manner. The flowing stock of the digital money under survey generally is 432,194,239 Sol in every way that really matters, huge way. This Solana cost expectation wouldn't generally be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it's the in every practical sense metric utilized by basically all cryptographic money brokers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move. Which especially shows that Solana is a highest level cryptographic money right now estimated at $100.79 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $43,559,126,987 in a for the most part significant manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain essentially is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there explicitly is a genuinely high likelihood that this move really is impractical and would for the most part bring about a bullish snare, which certainly is genuinely critical. Subsequently, it's critical too in every practical sense. Break down the past and the all things considered, current exchanging volume of Sol request to essentially comprehend whether this market has a fundamental strength, which is very huge. Over the beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Solana market especially was enlisted at $4,650,055,435 in a significant manner. Yesterday, on January 10, Sol sort of had an exchanging volume of $4,070,209.